球嘅表面嗰度咧，佢就要量度呢個外太空所嚟嘅 electromagnetic waves 啦。跟住咧，佢就俾咗一幅關於 percentage of absorption， 亦即係EM wave 嘅吸收率對住呢個 wavelength 嘅一個比較圖啦。咁佢就話要求我哋參考呢一幅圖，問以下邊一個陳述係正確嘅。咁我哋一個一個咁睇啦。Gamma rays from galaxy can be observed on Earth's surface。咁 gamma ray 喺邊度啊 ？gamma ray 咧，佢嘅 wavelength 係非常之短嘅，所以咧一定佢就擺咗喺呢個區域嘅。咁我哋睇呢個 percentage of absorption 咧，咁佢係幾乎佢就係100% 嘅。咁佢就係100% 嘅 absorption 咧，咁地球表面就自然觀察唔到任何嚟自宇宙嘅 gamma rays 啦。所以第一個陳述咧係錯誤嘅。跟第二個咧就係話接近所有嘅紫外輻射可以達到地球表面。咁 UV light 咧，佢就喺 visible light 嘅隔離嘅，亦即係呢個區域啦。咁差唔多呢個區域嘅時候咧 ，UV light 咧其實咧係接近都係接幾近100% absorption 嘅，所以咧唔存在話 nearly all UV light can reach the Earth's surface 啦，應該係 nearly all UV lights are being absorbed 嘅 by the atmosphere，cannot 或者 cannot reach the Earth's surface。跟住睇 C 啦。Infrared radiation from stars can reach the Earth's surface without absorption。without absorption 咧，咁呢個陳述咧其實係錯誤嘅，因為儘管咧infrared radiation 咧 UV 就喺左邊啦，咁 infrared radiation 咧就喺右邊嘅。咁 infrared radiation 咧佢嘅 percentage of absorption 咧，佢有好大嘅時間咧都得過差唔多10幾20幾%。咁地球嘅表面的確可以好清楚咁觀察到呢啲 radiation 嘅，但係唔代表佢話 without 完全冇呢個被大氣層所吸收嘅現象咯，所以 C 咧係唔正確嘅。得翻 D 啦 ，GHz gigahertz radio waves 啦，跟住佢嘅 wavelength 就係0.5米，大概喺呢度咯。用 magnitude 表示嘅話，跟住咧佢係最好用嚟同地面觀察站同埋呢個嘅太空站做一個溝通嘅。咁呢個陳述咧係正確嘅，因為咧個 atmosphere 咧個大氣層咧，佢基本上咧係唔吸收呢個gigahertz 級別嘅 radio waves 啦，亦即係呢個位置嘅 radio waves 咧係適合用嚟由一個地球表面去到一個外太空嘅人造物體咧進行一個溝通嘅。所以答案咧就係 D for dog 啦。D for dog。